What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have another mod coming to the car, and that saying is so true, like once you start you can't stop. Yeah, I feel that now. In today's video we have a relatively inexpensive mod. It's like a couple $100, and guess what it is? Obviously the reveal will be today. Just guess and leave it in the comments below. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright, but basically I'll give you guys a hint. It's supposed to make your car's stance a little bit more aggressive, and it actually does affect the way you drive. So I'm excited. We're actually on the way to go get them installed right now, and it's going to be a pretty quick job. I think it's not going to take longer than like 45 minutes to an hour. I'll see you guys at the shop. I'm so sad though, they didn't make the black bolts though.
I love the sticker, the Go Wide sticker.
That's hilarious.
You bought very good spacers.
Yep, I'm not gonna trust any of the eBay people.
Yeah.
Gotta go with H&R.
Yeah, you're the biggest things mechanics miss is cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and it's very true. You know this is always really important to go in a star pattern. This. You go like this, it's really uneven torque. You get an audible click, it tells you that you've reached your foot-pound.
Alright guys, so we just finished putting the spacers on the car. I think it turned out way better than I thought. It's obviously way better than stock because you're adding like a little bit more width to the car. And I'll show you guys that as soon as I get back home or in like a parking lot or something. But yeah, 1 sec. Alright, so we're currently on the way back. We just had the spacers installed. If you guys didn't notice, the shop that installed them was SC Vinyl here in Belmont, Pennsylvania. They did my window tints, they installed all my carbon fiber, they just installed my spacers and stuff. They always do a really good job, and I highly recommend them. I've never had any problems with them whatsoever. The pricing is fair, they do like really good work, so if you guys are in the Pennsylvania area, make sure to hit up SC Vinyl. I'll leave a link in the description just so that way you guys, if you guys are interested, you guys can come to Bellefonte near State College and get your stuff done to your car. Okay, so initial impressions. I do feel a bit of a difference. Not a crazy amount, but I definitely feel a little bit of something. Like, it's not a bad difference at all, don't get me wrong. It's actually a pretty good difference. Like, it feels a little bit more planted. I don't know if that's just me or anything, but the car does feel a bit more planted. But as soon as I stop in a parking lot or at home, I'll give you guys a visual check, I guess you can say, on the car. Very icy. Why did I choose this parking lot? So now, with the wheels straight, the front tire does pop out a little bit more. When it was stock, it kind of did anyway already, but yeah. If you guys want spacers, go for it. I think it makes the cars look so much better, no matter what car you have. And this is the view from the back. With stuff like this, you never want to cheap out and get some Chinese products. Definitely go with the real deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow SC Vinyl on Instagram, right over here and link below. Follow me on Instagram, follow SC Vinyl on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.